I'm on my phone. I'm doing this so that you guys can see how live and real this is, right? This is literally using my phone, okay? And so you can take a picture, right, to create an ad. Hello, everybody, and welcome to a Lifetoken, where we allow creators and brands to go from impressions to actions. And today we're about to dive into it. What exactly is Lifetoken? Why should you care, right? And if you're a creator or a brand, and when I say creator, I mean anybody that creates content, right? Regardless of the platform, whether it's on any social media, you're a podcaster, you're an author, you're a speaker, you name it, you create content of any kind. And we already know that a creator is anybody that puts something out there that wasn't existent before, right? So why should you care about the solution? And what are, the new things that this solution is bringing onto the table? I believe you guys will really, really appreciate it, because I'm a creator myself. And we already know that we're always looking for the best way to communicate and to the right people so we can grow our audience that ultimately allows us to make more money in the things that we're doing. And as a creator, it is hard to go full time. Well, these are the type of solutions you want to look into today that will allow you to do these type of things. So if you're a company, you're a brand, how can you partner with the right creator, or how can you actually speak with your specific target audience, and how can you communicate the new things that you're doing so that you can increase conversion and have more people interact with your brand? Crucial things. And when we look in the world that we live in today, there's a lot of so many social media platforms. There's a lot of noise. There's a lot of things that will keep you and I busy, but it is hard as a company or as a brand to truly cut through the noise and speak to the right people and find the right way, give them a reason, right? For them to want to spend money with you, to want to interact with you, to want to follow you, or to want to take action with whatever you're offering them to do. So I believe that's what Lifetoken is bringing onto the table. And so in this video, we're about to have a live demo, right? I'm going to demonstrate the application so that you can see how it works, super easy, and where you can get it. And of course, have some foundational information that I believe is crucial to any brand or creator out there. So stay with me. Let's dive into it right after this. We'll be right back.
Introducing Lifetoken. Lifetoken is redefining social networking for content creators, brands, and audience members through our participation-powered marketing channel. Value your audience like never before and reward your audience members with life. Take back control of your channels and your community. And build your presence on Lifetoken. Download the app now and find out how Lifetoken can power up your social channels.
All right, family, welcome back. Let's go ahead and dive into this. The very first question that I had, right, the first time I heard about this solution is, what on earth is Lifetoken? And so that's a good question that you may be wondering about or asking. What is Lifetoken, right? Well, let me tell you, Lifetoken is the very first Web3, right, solution, social media platform created for brands and creators to empower you to make money on every single post. What am I talking about? Well, we're about to dive into it. First thing is, when I heard that, I was like, what is Web3? So you'll be very well positioned to be asking that question. What is Web3? Well, Web3, it means immersing yourself in a digital experience. And this involves concepts like individual control of personal data and decentralized record keeping on the blockchain. What does this all mean? Well, I want you to pay attention to where it said control of personal data, right? Your personal data, you can control it. We already know whenever we're using several social media platforms to push our content out there. If you're a content creator, you know what I mean? You want to post on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook. But here's the thing. They don't allow you to control your own data. The data, control of the data is crucial. What do I mean? When you can have any type of control, then you can select the type of people that will be taking action with you, how they're taking action with you, why they should be taking action with you, and how you can reward them for them taking that action with you. So that is crucial. And that's why I want you to pay attention when it comes down to using this solution, which I'm about to demonstrate, which is very easy to use today, right? And one thing that I also want you to keep your mind on is the name, Lifetoken. That was my first thing when I heard about it. I was like, why the name Lifetoken? Well, it gives you legit life. Like you get a life, right? And a life is worth real money, right? So you will use this platform to do few amazing things that I know you guys will be mind blown once I explain this concept to you. So first thing is, all right, what is the concept here? How does it work? Before we dive into that, I want you to take a minute. What is the creator's primary, what are, I should say, the creator's primary pain points today? If I were to ask you, right? Are you a creator? What are your primary pain points today? One, you want to be able to create unique and high quality content consistently, right? But a lot of times we realize that we're doing that. We're spending more and more energy posting content consistently across multiple platforms, which are, a lot of investments, right? Which is taking a lot of time, money, and energy to do so. And a lot of time we find ourselves not getting that return on investment, right? Like people are not taking action like we want them to take action. People are not really subscribing like we want them to subscribe. They're not joining the pages, the events, the live streams, or whatever you're offering. They're not taking that action. The follow through is not to the level that we will want it to be, right? The second thing as a pain that we usually see for creators, promoting and distributing the content to reach who? The target audience. The fact that we're, promoting and try to reach the target audience doesn't mean that we are going to reach them, right? So you need a strategy in order for that to take place properly. And finally, you want to generate interaction by conversion. What does that mean? You want them to really take action on what you're sharing and convert them, right? That's the ultimate goal. We want to be able to convert them into potential customers, loyal fans, right? When you have that, you grow your subscriber base, you grow your reach. Then you have those loyal followers that will support you in pretty much everything you're doing. Why is that important? Because if you have loyal followers, guess what? You're trying to sell a product or you're trying to put something out there, they will go ahead and purchase that. And guess what? Now you're making real money, right? Well, those are real problems that we have as creators. Well, this solution kind of solves that. Not kind of, it actually solves this, right? Which is why I'm so excited to talk to you guys about. Well, the concept of Lifetoken is one, you earn a life, and two, you spend a life, right? So this is a complete digital, engagement platform. And I love the fact that it's engaging because they created it. This platform was created just like your regular TikToks or Instagram, familiar platform. So you're not, like disconnected whenever you go in it. Like I said, I'm about to show you the application live right now, right after this short background information. But so you can reward life for a participation, right? You can receive life for action. You can spend life for product and services. You can gift a life to somebody, right? For content, you can earn life for activity that you're taking, and you can use a life for engagement. Take a second to think about that for a second. You can reward the people. Right now, we already know that we're posting things, right? We're asking people, go ahead and click on this video, for example, that I just created, and you will get A, B, and C, right? Or go ahead and click this to join the live stream, or go ahead and click this URL, or go here to see this or purchase this product and all that. Now, here's the deal. Now, Lifetoken is allowing you and me to give them a reason to do that. That is where everything changes. Whenever people have a reason to subscribe, what could be that reason? I just said it, right? It could be any one of these reasons right here. Guess what? You can create and tell them, listen, if you subscribe, I'm giving you X amount of life. And remember, that life has a monetary value that they can either use for something else or they can give back or they can use to purchase something else online, which is amazing. So now not only they're getting the value proposition of them, right? Maybe subscribing or watching the video or joining the live stream or participating to the giveaway or joining the event, right? The conference or whatever you're offering, right? Just by them clicking, they are being rewarded with a life. That's amazing. Now they have a reason just to click on it. And we both know that if the content is engaging enough, if the content is enticing enough, that we're already doing that, right? If we have a good, solid enough offer, we already know that all we need is for people to click. So if we can give them a reason to actually click by rewarding them for taking action, the rest, your content speaks for itself. The rest, they will follow through, which is what we're trying to do, right? So I know the question that you may have is, okay, how do I get started? Well, super easy. What you want to do is simply go to your app store. So this is my phone, right? I am, just for you to see, this is real. I am on my iPhone right now, right? So I'm on my iPhone right now. And so this is the Apple App Store, and this is available on both your Android App Store and your Apple App Store. So pretty much it's going to be the same thing. I just happen to be using my iPhone right now. So go to your App Store. I already have the app installed, but all you want to do, right, to start earning life and really taking action and using this to grow, your reach and to grow your subscriber count and to grow your business, whether you're a brand or a creator, is look for the application Lifetoken, right? All in one word. So let's go in and look for that. There you go. This is the application right here. This is Lifetoken. You can download this for free today, right? So all you have to do is go ahead and install this. As you can see, I already have this installed on my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. There we go. So you open the application just like this, and you have access to the application. Look at how it presents itself. Of course, I already have it. I already created an account. It's free, right? You created a free account. And you just sign in, right? Once you do that, you earn your first life, which is amazing. But one thing I want you to pay attention to is how it presents itself. Just like your regular TikTok or your social media Instagram platform. Look at that. This is pretty interactive, and this is nice. So a couple of things I want you to pay attention, close attention to, so you can know how to use this, okay? So at the bottom, right, as you can see, I have my profile picture. Right here, right? So this is my profile picture. So you can do the same thing. So you create your profile. You can upload your profile picture right there. And you put a little something about yourself. As you can see, you can have followers, or you can show the amount of people you are following, right? As you can see right here, it said my post, sign up, participated, right? I have not done any of those stuff. I kept the account brand new so we can do certain things together, okay? So as you can see, now at the top left, you have where you can invite and earn, right? Invite your friend and earn 10 life. So literally you can start earning life right now by just inviting your friends. And all you have to do is click on invite right there, and boom, you start inviting your friends right there. You can copy the link that you have in there, share it to friends. Once they sign up, you earn 10 life. Very, very easy, right? Now, if I back up out of there, at the top right, at the top right here, you have your account information, your privacy, about, and you can log out. Very easy to use, right? Now, let me go back to home at the bottom there. Okay. Now, at the bottom, you see the plus symbol down there. So if you click on the plus, now you can create a post in here, right? You have the camera. You can go into your phone camera. Look at that. And I can flip it. Hey, I'm on my phone. I'm doing this so that you guys can see how live and real this is, right? This is literally using my phone, okay? And so you can take a picture, right, to create an ad. Let me cancel it. Or you can do a video right there. Let me flip it, right? You can do a video if you want to post an ad the same way you would do on any social media platform. So this is pretty cool. Or you can go to your gallery right there, and now you can upload a picture from anywhere. I can go in here. I can select this picture right here, right? And now this picture can be what I want to use for my next post. So it depends on what you're trying to do and what you're trying to create. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a little something. Let me flip it right here. All right, we're creating a post right now for Lifetoken. Go ahead and sign up. You will not regret it. I'm giving you guys each 2 life by following me. So if you do that, you just go ahead and stop it right now. This is the video. I can replay it. I turn off the audio, but I can keep quiet and bring the audio on. You will not regret it. I'm giving you guys each 2 live, right? By following me. As you can see, if you have your video. All right, you can retake it or you can use this video to create a post. This is what it's all about. So it's a very easy platform. So if I create that, I go to next. Right here, you have to put in the title, right? So you click in there. Lifetoken is amazing. That's what I'm putting, right? And then you put a description, follow me to earn free life. Now, I'm going to put now, and I'm going to put mind blown emoji. This what you do whatever you want to do in here. All right. Now, look at that. Now you have the date and time. You can stamp it by date and time. OK, now you can put a URL. What do you want people to do when they click here? Right. Where do you want them to go? I can literally redirect people to an offer that I have on my website, or I have a product that I'm selling, or I want them to follow me maybe on YouTube or whatever you want, right? So you put whatever you want them to go to that URL, and then you put that in the description of the video. So I'm going to go ahead and put my YouTube right here, which is youtube.com/@JP High Tech, right? So now I put that in right there. I'm going to hit save. Now in here, I can add follow me and subscribe to my YouTube to get your free life today. All right. So I put that there. Now at the bottom, there's the reward that I'm giving. See at the bottom there? I click on reward. So now right here, you can see I personally have 20,000 in my balance. Now you may probably not have that, right? So you can easily earn. Earlier I showed you can share, invite a friend, boom. Or you can even click on certain ads just like this, or certain posts, I should call them, in this application to earn free life. So easy to earn a life in here. So you use the life that you have, you give it away. Look, participants, how many live do I want to give them? It says set a limit of maximum number of participants for this event. So if I just want to use, I don't know, 100, I want to give out 100 total, right? So reward per user, how much I want to give per user, right? If each user, I want to give each user, let's say 5 life, right? And I'm maxing at 100. You already know how many users can take advantage of this, right? Or if 1 life per user, I'm going to put 5 life per user. And look at that. So it's going to cost me a total of 500 lives. Okay. It's that easy. You control it. See, that's what we were just talking about. You controlling the interaction. You controlling your personal data. You controlling how you're putting it out there. You controlling the follow through and the reward that you're giving the people that are going to be taking action with this, right? And so you do that, and I click at the bottom, confirm. Look at that, right? Now, so date and time is mandatory because I'm offering total of 500 lives. So I'm gonna go back to the date and time, start time and end time, right? Today's Thursday, 20th, April 20th. When do I want it to end? So maybe I want it to end by next Thursday, okay? Maybe I want this to end by next Thursday. So Thursday, by the same time, I'll put done. The 27th, I'm going to save this. So now I have a date and time where this offer will end. So I can even add that to the description, right? This offer ends Thursday, right? Thursday, April 27th at 2 p.m. CST, right? You can even, it depends on how you want to do it. You can let your people know so they are aware that this is a limited time offer. And look, I can go ahead and post this right now. Look at that. Yes. So literally, if you're watching this video while I created this, you can go ahead and take advantage of this. But I just posted this and I can save this, right? Now, this is a QR code. And this is where it gets even better, right? You can share this with users who have participated in your event. They will be rewarded instantly once they scan this. It's amazing. So I can save this to my phone and share this with them when they've participated, and they scan this and they get their live. So I'm gonna go ahead and save this to my phone right now. And look at that, I'm gonna go back to home. There you go. Look how amazing this is. And look, I can click right there to share this outside of, look, I have multiple options. I can share this outside, or I can scroll down here and I can copy this, right? And I can click right here, I'll delete. So this is amazing. I can love this thing. I go ahead and share this with anyone that I want to share this with, right? Which is amazing. And go ahead and share this, and now people will be coming. And if you go back to your profile now, it shows that you have this number of posts on here. Now, let's say that, okay, I don't have any life. I was telling you it's so easy to earn a life. How can you earn a life? Let me show you right now. If I scroll up, look at this post right here. This post is simply saying earn 5 life at the bottom in the yellow. So literally I can click it right here and look at what it's saying. What do you think, right? And this expires April 22nd at 2 p.m. Look at that. And so it says 50 spots remaining on here. Posting comments here on Lifetoken, yes or no, and be rewarded for giving your voice. So if I click right here, request participation, right? So now it's going to send the request out, right? So it's been sent. I already sent my participation request. They'll receive that and respond back. Once I get that notification, I'll be able to come right here, just respond yes or no, and that will give me 5 life. This is amazing. And that's how easy you can do the same thing. Even right here, right? You can still read more, right? And earn 20 life. Request participation, right? This ends, as you can see the time right there, right? And all that is sent to you. Whenever you request that approval, it will be in your notifications tab right there at the top right. And that is how easy it is to use this application. Folks, this is mind-blowing. This is amazing. I mean, I encourage everyone to go in and check it out. Lifetoken is simply changing the game when it comes down to really giving people a reason for them to follow you and growing our subscriber count, growing our reach online, and really making more money. Because as people are given a reason to take action with you, now they're being rewarded. And now you're getting the follow through, right? The conversion that you're looking for. And now people are growing on your database. And if you're a brand, if you're a creator, these are the type of things that you want to do, right? These are the type of ways you want to connect with people, because we live in a world today where anybody will ask you a question. What's in it for me? What's in it for me? Once you can give them a reason and tell them this is what you can expect, this is what's in it for you, go ahead today and take advantage of it. Then they'll be like, okay, guess what? It doesn't hurt me to just click on the link. But guess what? That's what you want them to do. Just click on the link. And when they click, trust me, they're going to listen to the video or whatever post, they're going to read it. And there you just captivate their attention. And from there, you're the winner. You can just take it from there. So I want to go ahead and encourage you, visit the website today, lifetoken.ai, okay? Download the application today. All you have to do is tap Lifetoken on there, and you will not regret it. This is amazing. If you have any questions, go ahead and put it in the comment section. We'll love to read your questions, right? And if you want to earn more than the life that I'm sharing, well, guess what? Send me your username for a limited amount of time. I've agreed with Lifetoken for this. And so for a limited amount of time, you will get 1,000 life. So go ahead and connect with me and you won't regret it. Let's see how you're using this. Let us know, and we can follow you as well on Lifetoken. See y'all later. Bye.